says success and wealth are in your future.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind. I should've came from losing yesterday. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some simple change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, you was holding me. Choose the rise, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I wave my arms, feel it. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. Oh, no. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, slow child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy.
Vision board and I made it the background of my iPad, so here it is. And I'm gonna just explain some of the pictures on it. I have a picture for clear skin. I passed my driving test because I want to get my license 2024. I have a pink Stanley cup because I'm drinking more water, or like continue to drink water. Content creator, saving money, 4.0 GPA, exercise equipment because I'm like working out. I work out already, but I want to be consistent. Yeah guys, here's my little pink vision board for 2024. Yeah, super cute. I love it. It's pink. Oh yeah, I have a picture of this girl with long hair because I want to grow my hair to be at least shoulder length all the way around, like from the front, the sides, the middle, the back, shoulder length, all the way around. But yeah, this is my first time talking this entire video, and y'all, if you guys don't already, I feel like everyone should make a vision board, whether it's digital or like a physical board. I think that vision boards are so cute, And it's one thing saying you're gonna have a goal, but like actually putting pictures and having the steps listed out for how you're gonna accomplish a goal really helps. The vitamins that I take, these are the vitamins that I started taking recently. They're supposed to be good for your metabolism, immunity, health, and a healthy appearance. I don't really know if they're working for real, because mind you, I just started taking them, but they do taste good. You're supposed to take 2 a day. Other vitamins I had last time, they were nasty. I hated taking them, so I didn't take them like consistently, so I really couldn't tell if they worked or not. But I'm gonna update y'all on these once this thing is empty. So I'm about to eat now. It is 9:32. Eating healthy is not on my New Year's resolution. It's not on my vision board. I'm gonna eat this Panda Express, whatever is left over. I had a fortune cookie the other day from Panda Express. I don't want to focus. I'm gonna read it to y'all. It says, success and wealth are in your future. I'm telling you, 2024 is gonna be a great year. Like, it's written right here. Coincidence? I think not. Like, I already told my mom, I feel like 2024 is gonna be my year for real. Sweet and sour sauce, teriyaki sauce, so I'm gonna just come back to y'all when I'm done eating. I decided to paint, so this is a brand new canvas. I don't know what I'm gonna paint yet. I'm probably gonna go on Pinterest and just look up something. I'm actually leaning towards Hello Kitty. Like, I don't know why, but I look want to paint something Hello Kitty related, and pink obviously, because pink is my favorite color. I think I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna just sketch out my design first and then paint it. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it in this video. I'm gonna try to finish it today. But it is the 31st, y'all. It is December 31st. It's the last day of the year. So yeah, I don't know. I feel like I haven't painted in a long time. It's been forever since I last painted. So I want to paint something. I'm gonna go on Pinterest. I don't know what I'm gonna paint yet, but let me look up some inspo, and then when I find a picture, I'm gonna show y'all. Wait, oh my goodness, I found one. It's Hello Kitty. This is the picture, y'all. It's a Hello Kitty, and she got grills in her mouth. And I have like little diamonds, so I think I'm gonna stick that on the canvas for her grills. Okay, that's gonna be cute. Guys, so I finished my painting. It took me forever. I didn't even record a lot of it because just took so long. And here is the finished product. I think it came out super cute. Y'all, as you can see, there's real gems on her teeth for the grill. I was struggling so bad with this painting. My white paint was like, I think it was drying up because it was kind of cakey. Used like water, a little bit of water to thin it out. I don't know, that was like what you're supposed to do, but that's what I did and it worked. And then, y'all, I was gonna outline her with a black Sharpie, but my Sharpie was drying up, so I had to use like paint and freehand it, and I was really struggling, but it came out good. I really like how it came out. I'm not painting another painting for a minute because this took me forever, but here she is, and I signed it. All my paintings have this initial that I do, KTB. My first name, my middle name, and my last name. I actually have two middle names, but I don't ever use the other one, so I just put one of my middle names. But yeah, super cute. Y'all, I love this. This is so cute. I'm gonna hang it up on my wall. Okay, there she is. She's hanging up. I just want to say that concludes today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my upcoming videos.